Hey everyone, welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today we're going to be unboxing the all brand new titanium 150 amp aluminum spool gun from Harbor Freight. While I was at Harbor Freight, I picked up these aluminum spools for the spool gun. Used 20% off coupon that's available right now for Vulcan. I picked up a set of brushes because it comes with a stainless steel wire brush. And picked up a decent welding clamp. But what you really want to see what's inside this box. I've not opened it yet. Okay. It's like over here. Been excited for this to come out. I've been watching online and researching, trying to figure out what spool guns to buy. And I figured eventually, since they make this welder available for a spool gun, that Harbor Freight would have to come out with one eventually. And they finally came out with it. Let's see, you get a small wrench of some kind. Small wrench here, 3 extra tips, probably different sizes. And you get the spool gun. Smells like that normal Chinese rubber plastic. And this hooks and plugs in directly into your titanium welders. Has your standard 5-pin plug. The lock clips in. This goes in the front of the machine. It's pretty lightweight. I actually really like that. You can see inside the clear cover here for your spool, your tension adjustment knob is here for the wire. That's really nice. You don't have to open it up to change the tension. That's quite handy. Open the cover. Flip the lever up. And looks like you can unlock and lock it here to flip this over for the different size wire. You close that. Close that again, then you can set your tension. Overall, I'm pretty. I got kind of small hands. You know what they say about small hands? Small gloves. Let's see, does the tip screw off? Alright, this tip does screw off. It's not pull off, it's a screw off tip. And it has instructions in the back here of how to load it and use it. Of course, it comes in that typical titanium green trigger. It feels like a pretty decent quality. I mean, the plastic feels cheesy. There's no rubber grip here. That would be really nice if this was a softer grip, something easier to hold on to, especially if you're wearing gloves. It won't keep it sliding around your hand, but yeah, overall, I'm pretty pleased with that. Push button here to open up for your spool. There's a turn screw here to tighten down. That's a little bit on the cheaper side. You're gonna have to be careful with that. That hinge feels pretty cheap, but I definitely wouldn't drop it. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with that. Thanks for watching Big Folks 4x4. Don't forget that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you want to see me using this for the first time and doing some first welds, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when that video comes out. As soon as I get some shielding gas for the welder, we'll hook this up and we'll do some welds with it. And as always, God bless.